Alright, can you do it again? Riley making a snow angel. Here, get up and do it over here. One more. Hurry up. Are you cold?
No.
Okay, good. You got on 4 layers, so you should be good. Oh, what a beautiful... You got to move your feet, too. Yeah, good job, Riley. You're making a perfect snow angel. Okay. Get up. Let's see it. Oh. Livy, you making a snow angel, too?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Good job. You got it. Okay. All done.